Hey, welcome to another Closure Diary video. So, in this video, I'm going to say about a thing which I encountered and didn't encounter, right? So, while I was doing practice for this video, I encountered something like this one, like where the paragraph didn't render properly, and when I was doing it live on video, it did render. So, I'm just going to say why. Okay, so the reason is you have this hiccup. Okay, so if you put hiccup code like this, okay, right, and if I just put like lean ring server, right, make it bigger so that like you can see. So, so I just get hello world like this, right, and there is no problem with that, okay, right? And let me go to the root file, okay, right, and maybe I can even put something like this one, right? So yeah, I will comment this up. Just comment this up. And oops, I don't know why the single line comment doesn't work in. Okay, so okay, right. So just okay. So I just need to put it like a string over here. So so that's about it, right? So and if I now refresh. It's still going to be hello world, right? But then, if in template, if I just come here and then change it to hiccup to core, okay, right? Chai, CC, okay, right? So that's the difference, okay? And if I just do it, I'm not sure what happened, right? Uh, little ring things, template CLJ11, okay. I really have no idea. Okay, anyway, let's jack. Okay, let me just try it once. Uh, two, okay, dot, four, right? And let me just jack in and see what's happening. Yeah, it works, and this too works, right? But then over here, I'm not getting. Maybe I think I just need to restart this server. Okay, yeah. Fine. So now I'm just getting this one. Okay, so hiccup 2 works in a different way. Okay, so to remedy this, what you need to do is to rather than this one, okay, you need to put something like this one. I'll just comment this one, and you need to put something like this one, right? So this will just fix it. Yeah. So that's the difference between hiccup and hiccup 2, right? So yeah, that's about it. So yeah, until we see next video, bye.